Out of all the wildlife that I encounter in Alaska, this is by far the one that I'm most nervous about. Bears you can scare away, wolves you can scare away, but moose, you gotta run.
Hey!
Hey! I don't know what that is.
What is that?
This cover thing that's right here.
What's in it?
Nothing. Nothing's in it.
What?
Interesting. Yeah, if you know what this thing is, let us know down in the comments what that thing is and whether or not I can utilize that space for something else. Welcome back to the adventure. I really want to be really excited to work on the truck today, but we are working in the cold again, and it's not as exciting. The last thing we have to do before I can turn the truck back around and we can start working on the inside, I need to mount that seatbelt right here so that Stephanie doesn't get guillotined by this high angle of the seatbelt coming in. We're gonna move this over here, but to do that first we have to take these seats back out, which is a pain because they're not supposed to be here in the first place. It's okay. Everything's okay. We're gonna get this done and we're gonna move on the inside where it's warm. Alright. So I just cut this piece right there. Kinda, I want the center of the seatbelt to be right there. So now I just need to mark this out and clear out all this paint and weld this in place. I'm gonna drill a hole in this right now. I just lost my drill bit. Where is it? How did that happen?
Nick. Oh.
There it is. Okay. So I'm gonna drill a hole in this this plate that we're gonna mount the seatbelt to now before I weld it on the truck, because with the drill press it's gonna be so much easier.
There's the footprint of the moose that was visiting our house. He came so close to their front stairs. I think he was thinking whether or not he should go up them. But yeah, he moseyed about for a little bit and then went behind the truck and ate the tree. Alright, so as you can see, the welder is in the seat. The seat's folded. And we've got a welding blanket covering up the seat and as much dash as it'll reach. It's not a whole lot of welding, so hopefully we'll get this over with fairly pain-free and without any incident. But it is spooky because it's a critical application and in a weird spot. So Kimi has his argon bottle hooked up to this air tube thingy. We can stretch it way out there and weld in the truck.
That's that.
Too weak or too dead?
Too weak. It was moving. Yeah, stop. Don't know what that's all about.
So the impact couldn't do it.
Jeez. That's
You
crazy.
think the ratchet can get, or the drill can get it now?
I don't think so.
You loosened a little.
That one, yeah. Ah.
Is it rusted?
It's rusty.
Heckin' rusty. So rusty. better?
Yeah, that's better.
Okay, you're almost there.
That's pretty rusty too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. This one's even rustier than the first one. Removing the seatbelt base. Alright, so while we were moving the seatbelt, too much got sucked into the actual seatbelt roll thing, and it got jammed, and now it won't come back out. So, yeah, that's where we're at. Not sure we can fix this one, because if we take this thing apart, there's no way we're going to get it back together like it was before. And it's a seatbelt, so it's not something we really want to mess with and like gamble to see if it will work still if we put it back together. So we're going to have to probably find another one. That's going to be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please push that like button, and we will see you guys next time.